Everyone keeps asking me about the Nimo light gaming laptop, AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS, 16GB. Fine. Here's the real story. You've probably seen ads for gaming laptops that claim to deliver lightning-fast performance and top-notch visuals. But what if I told you there's a laptop out there that truly delivers on both fronts? And honestly, it's not just about specs, this thing is designed with the modern creator in mind. So, let's dive into 3 features that matter most: AI-powered performance, Radeon 680M graphics, and high-speed memory and storage. First off, the AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor is the unsung hero here. But here's the thing, this thing is like a Swiss Army knife for creators. I was working on a project that involved video editing and coding simultaneously, and this laptop just kept up with me seamlessly. The way it handles multitasking is uncanny. I was able to have multiple windows open at once, and every single one of them stayed responsive and efficient. It's like having a supercomputer in your lap. And honestly, that's not an exaggeration. The Radeon 680M graphics deliver performance comparable to GTX 1650 level graphics for everyday gaming and creative workloads. But what really caught my attention is how it performs under heavy loads. I was streaming gameplay while editing video and running multiple software applications simultaneously, and this laptop didn't even break a sweat. Real talk, that's some serious power. And the best part? It's quiet, so you won't disturb anyone in your home or office. Now, let's talk about price. Honestly, this thing is pricey. But real talk, it feels fair for what you get. You're not just paying for specs, you're paying for a device that's designed to keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle. And if you're a creator, student, or professional who demands performance and productivity, then this laptop is worth every penny. So, should you buy the Nimo light gaming laptop? In my opinion, absolutely. If you're looking for a reliable device that will help you get more done in less time, then this is the one for you. But if you're on a tight budget or don't need top-tier performance, then maybe it's not worth the investment. You should not buy this laptop if you're someone who's not a creator, student, or professional who demands fast response times and smooth multitasking. I mean, think about it, this laptop is designed for people who need to work on multiple projects simultaneously, all while keeping their cool under pressure. Tap subscribe for more honest reviews like this, no fluff, just the real verdict. You'll find the link in the description if you want to grab one. Appreciate you watching.